Apple has released a new paper which is going to revolutionize how tokenization happens in the vision space. Now, before we get into that, let's look at what's the issue currently with the tokenizers in the vision space. First one, it's actually task specific, which is it can do understanding of images or it can do reconstruction, but you don't have a single tokenizer which actually does both. Now, the second major issue is that it is single modality, which is it works great for a particular image, a particular set of videos or 3D assets, but you don't have one tokenizer which actually works for all three formats. Now, to address all of these issues, what Apple did is they created a token called as AToken, which follows architecture based on a transformers architecture, but on underlying they use a 4D latent space using rotary embeddings to kind of address these. Now, the way it works is the model is actually going to convert all the artifacts, be it image, vision, or 3D assets, into a 4D latent space so that you have space for every artifact to kind of get stored. And it uses a concept called as rotary embedding to kind of create tokenizations against it. Now, the other major thing which they kind of also addressed is rather than going the usual way of using GANs to train the model, they went through an adversarial free training, which is they kind of figured out that the reconstruction loss is primarily because of grammatrics losses, and they addressed that, and through which they were able to achieve high fidelity reconstructions. Now, the third main thing which they also did was progressive training, wherein they first trained the tokenizers with images and then with videos, and then they figured out that the quality of images went higher when they kind of trained with videos and went ahead with training with 3D assets. Let's see how this is going to change the vision space.